Hello, welcome. I'm Amy Oxford, and if you've been watching my videos, you'll notice that I'm in a different space. I've moved upstairs at the Oxford Rug Cooking School. The rug behind me is one that I made for my daughter, Elena, 17 years ago now, and she and her two best friends are flying over our beautiful Champlain Valley here in Vermont. I've designed a piece just for you to learn how to punch this small pear mat, and we're going to learn to punch a piece from start to finish, from the basic punching all the way how to do the finishing and the hemming at the end. It will teach you a number of things: how to punch straight lines, how to do curves, lettering, and also how to fill in. The pattern is available as a free download on my website, or you can purchase the pattern on monk's cloth from us, or we also sell the pattern on monk's cloth with the yarn, so a full kit is available as well. We're going to be using Seal Harbor Rug Company rug yarn from Manchester, Vermont, and also our own Violet Jane rug yarn. This piece I made with the number 10 Oxford punch needle, and I thought it would be fun to make it in different sizes. So in the video we're going to use the number 9 regular. To learn more about our punch needle sizes, I have another video on that. So let me tell you what I love about punch before we get started. It's the most forgiving craft I've ever done. Any mistake you make, it's really pretty easy to take out and fix. I also love how painterly it is. There's a limitation on many fiber arts where you work with a grid because you have, say, the warp and the weft, or the holes in your backing for cross stitch or needlepoint. So to make a circle you would have to go up, over, up, over, up, over. You're probably familiar with that. With punch, it's like painting with wool. You can make beautiful curves and shapes effortlessly. So I love that. My favorite thing about it really is how fast it is, I have to admit. It's also really meditative once you learn how to do it. So I hope you'll relax and have fun and follow along with me.